Hello, children. Welcome to your English class. As you all know, in the last class, we have started a new lesson, your second lesson. That is, how does the dog how the dog found himself a new master. So in this lesson there is a dog who is trying to find a master who is more stronger than him and who can take care of him. Because this dog is bit lazy kind and he was very unhappy about his life wandering alone here and there, he wanted to find a master for himself. And in the previous class we have seen that first he made a companion of a wolf whom he felt stronger than him, and then he just moved on with the wolf. When he saw the bear, he left the wolf and made a companion with the bear. And finally when he was with the bear, there was some very great noise taking place in the cow's herd. And let us see now why there was a noise and what was happening in the cow herd and what will the dog do further. Okay, the bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. When both the bear and the cow and the dog were moving in the search of the cow herd, they just found a cow herd, but immediately what happened? There was a great moving sound of the cows and they were running here and there in panic. And even the bear also, just from behind the tree, he saw something and hastily ran deeper into the forest to hide himself. So now we will see what will happen further. Okay. Now, why did I have to come here? Said he to the dog. It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts. The bear is telling, why should we go there or come here? There is a lion who is the most dangerous animal and he rules the forest. Okay, he is the king. The lion, who's he? The dog is asking to the bear. The lion, who is he? Don't you know? He is the strongest beast on earth. Who will tell? The bear will tell. The lion is the strongest beast on the earth. Okay. Well, then I will say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. Who said this? The dog said. Okay, then, if lion is the strongest beast on the earth, then the dog is telling, I will say goodbye to you, bear, because I want to be the servant of the strongest master on this earth. Okay, and off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. What did dog do here? Again it said goodbye to the bear and just moved on and went to ask lion that whether lion will be his master. Okay, the lion agreed to it and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. What happened when the dog went to the lion and asked whether you want to be my master? Lion said, okay, I will be your master and you can be my servant. And what happened from then? Dog started being with lion and he served him for a long time. It was a good life and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any way. When dog began to stay with lion, dog was very happy because he was with the strongest animal, with the king of the forest. Okay, and no one dared to touch the dog or give him any sort of trouble. So dog was happy. It was so very happy to be the servant of the strongest beast on the earth. But one day the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliffs when all of a sudden the lion stopped. One day what happened? Both are walking. they are on a walk, and they are walking on a cliff. Cliff means a high rock, or a edge, means very narrow path, high rock and a narrow path which is having only very small space to walk. Suddenly what will happen? The lion will stop. Okay, the lion will stop. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily. He gave a great roar, that means he shouted in anger, and he just gave a stroke to stroked the ground angrily with his paw, with such force that a hole formed there. See what the lion did? Paw means his foot. Paw means the foot of the lion. The lion was very angry, and he gave a great roar, and he just gave a strong paw on the earth. That means he struck the ground, like keeping something very forcingly, like this. So what happened? There was a hole at that place. Then he began to back away very quietly. Then what happened? He came back very quietly. What was the reason the lion did like that? What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Who asked this? Dog asked. What is that, master? Is anything wrong there? Asked the dog, surprised. Seeing this kind of behavior of the lion, the dog was surprised, and he asked his master, "What is this, master? What happened?" "I smelled a man coming this way," the lion said. He said, "See, some man, some human being is coming this way. I have smelled him. We would better run for it, or we will be in trouble." The lion is telling, "See, I have smelled a man who is coming in this way. We will run away from here, otherwise we will be in trouble." "Oh, well, then I will say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth." As he was doing before, again the dog is telling, listening to the lion, that man is more powerful than you. I am going to tell goodbye to you, because I want the master who is more stronger than anyone on the earth. Who said this? The dog said to the lion. So what happened next? Let us see here. And off the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long ago, but to this day the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. See, very long ago this happened, but even till the date, even till today, the dogs are very loyal to the man. They are just loyal partners or the servants of the man who never cheat. Okay, after then dogs became the servants of the man, and they were trusting the strongest person is man on the earth, who can do whatever he want. In this way the dog found his master, and happily he moved on with the man, and from then till today's date, dogs are the most faithful servants of human beings. This completes your lesson, children. Here what did you understand? What moral you got from the lesson? There is no animal or no thing which is stronger than human beings. Human beings are the unique and great creations of the God. If a man is willing, he can do whatever he want. Only thing is, he has to be self-confident, and he has to have a strong will to do the work. This completes with your lesson number 2, how the dog finds a master for himself. So let us meet in the next class. Till then, take care, children. Thank you.